perfect. She's already in.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
I'm in.
You're in. Good. In like
So
Flint.
you also have
We got a camera in here watching us too.
Okay.
All right, this is the gas and this is the brake.
Yep.
We get a thrill ride before we get started.
There you go. Ready?
Well, now, I
boy.
gotta, how do you
Sorry
shift?
about that.
And I can go?
Yep. Yeah. You
set?
can go.
Hang on tight, madam.
Okay. Boy. Well, this is neat.
This isn't. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I never in my life thought that I'd be driving one of these though.
Oh, you've seen him driving.
It's not too bad, no. I mean, I've never really driven a truck, you know, so. I mean, my main concern, I think, is like going around corners and getting into traffic, or when they said I gotta park the thing.
Right.
Oh,
Well, this just amazes me, though.
yes. It sure is. It's comfortable.
Yes, yes, it
Yeah,
is.
lots of room too. What do you adjust the air level for?
You don't want too much air in the bags, and
In
the airbags that are on it. That's the type of suspension it's got.
where's the airbags?
The airbags they're in between where the axle and the truck is, so that's what allows it to go up and down.
These fascinates
I
me.
guess. My goodness gracious.
Getting too old to learn some of it, so I just take it day by day.
Yeah.
This is totally different, yes.
I
yeah.
guess it's way up and you can see more too. And so
Right, yeah.
that's what I like about a truck. You can sit up there and you can look around. And a car, you're sitting way down, you know.
Well,
and you
even
don't
those
see
big
that much.
SUVs, you know, those what cars like most of the family people have nowadays, you're
Yes.
up higher too.
Usually the semis are the big ones, but I don't ride in a semi. But this is really.
I rode to Florida in my son's truck, big truck. He works for a light bulb place. They go all travel the country putting light bulbs in, and he's got a fairly big truck. And I rode in that, never drove it though, but this is much bigger. But I just never thought in my day and age that I'd be driving a big monster truck like this. The kids and the grandkids, some of them anyway, they're going to be jealous.
Oh, I guess so. Grandma's also driving a big monster
That
truck.
big monster truck.
Yes. And how does
I
Grandma
never
like
even
driving
went
it?
to. Yes, it's nice. Yeah, it steers
Yeah.
well. It
Handles okay, right?
handles okay. Yeah, very good.
Is the steering easy?
It steers well,
Yeah.
but it's something I don't think I'd ever.
What does the horn sound like?
What's the horn sound like? I don't want
That's
them.
what always
I don't
interests
want
me.
them to stop.
Well, go ahead, honk it.
Well, when we stop, you can try it out and see what it sounds like. You know, if you got a vehicle and the horn don't sound right, you don't want that horn in there.
I don't want to get behind a person at a stop and go light though and blow the horn and flip me off or something, huh? Oh gosh.
I guess so. Yes.
Just get out of our way, cars.
I'm bigger than you.
Yeah. I'm bigger than you,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yes.
You can't turn too sharp with these, can you?
No. Oh, I gotta go down farther.
Perfect. You did that beautiful.
See now, kids.
Boy, you can bribe
if
a
I can-
semi or any place now.
Yeah.
You can get one
If
of
I can
these?
drive this, I could drive my own car. My
Yes.
husband's always hollering at me, "You're looking around too much." Well,
Yes.
this is really something.
Yeah.
This is something I never thought in my day.
Has
Let's
it got a
see.
big box? Oh, yeah.
So they want me to park it now, right?
Yeah, if you just kind of pull into that parking space directly ahead of us, even if it's sideways.
Boy, the lucky person that wins this vehicle.
Yes,
Oh,
my
my goodness.
gosh. Well, this is nice. You did a beautiful job.
I get E for effort, right?
Oh, no.
Oh, but-
You did beautiful, gorgeous, and a nice ride,
Just
too.
so I don't run over the curb.
You want to see, come.
Whoop, that's a spot.
Yes.
Now how do we're gonna leave this thing run?
Yep, leave a run for now. If you hit the unlock so I could get out, that would be nice.
Amazing.
There we go, perfect.
How many of these do they build in a year?
One.
One.
Yep,
Oh,
just one.
just wanted
Yeah.
to know in case I want one for next year.
I said to him, do they sell these?
All right, don't leave
And he
without
said,
me.
no,
Let me
but they
hop in.
sell the tires and the rims in there.
Yeah, there's tires
The other
and
ones
the
are just
rims in it.
show.
Yep, yep.
Who builds these for you?
Banker does. He was the guy that helped kind of set it up outside.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's like the shop dad. He's the guy that kind of knows everything, and he builds these for us.
Oh.
He's
okay.
also in the shop. We'll show it to you. He's also got a Ferrari back there. He's
Yeah,
building.
that one I saw. Yeah. Now, am I going to go around that way and get back out onto?
Don't go drive forward.
Yeah.
Although I think we could make it.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think-
you think we could make it?
Mirror down here and one up there. This one looks for right down here.
Oh, yeah.
That is
oh,
neat.
Yeah, there's two beer. Okay, yeah.
This
I
one
just
shows
noticed
what's
that
right
too.
next to you.
Yeah.
Well, this was a very pleasant
Oh,
afternoon.
this was very, very interesting and very
Yeah.
exciting.
Yes, it is.